Hello, welcome back. In the last class, we learned career path, certifications and resume building. We looked at different career paths for project managers. Industry-recognized certifications. Building a portfolio with real-world projects. Writing an effective project manager resume and preparing for interviews. In today's class, we will be learning Capstone Project and course wrap-up. Working on a final project management case study. The Capstone Project represents the culmination of the skills and knowledge you've developed throughout the course. It allows you to demonstrate your ability to apply the concepts you've learned to a real-world scenario. In this final project, you will be assigned a project case study that mirrors the challenges and complexities of real-life project management. The case study will involve elements such as defining project scope, clearly outline the project's objectives, deliverables, timelines, and goals. Identifying stakeholders. Determine who the key stakeholders are, their roles, and how to manage their expectations throughout the project lifecycle. Risk management. Assess potential risks, create mitigation strategies, and ensure that risk management plans are incorporated into the project. Resource allocation. Plan the resources required for the project, including human resources, budget, equipment, and materials. Communication plan. Develop a communication strategy that ensures all stakeholders are kept informed and that information flows seamlessly throughout the project. Project execution and control. Demonstrate how you would manage the project's progress, address any challenges that arise, and keep the project on track. Closure and evaluation. Finally, explain how you would close the project, ensuring that all deliverables are met, and any lessons learned are captured for future reference. This case study serves as a comprehensive assessment of your project management capabilities, simulating the types of challenges you will face in actual projects. Creating a project report and presentation. Once your case study is completed, the next step is to create a project report and a presentation that summarizes your approach to the case study. This report will serve as a formal document that outlines all the steps you took in managing the project, your strategies, and the outcomes. Project report. Executive summary, a brief overview of the project, including its objectives, outcomes, and key recommendations. Project scope and objectives, detailed description of the project scope, including timelines, deliverables, and key performance indicators, KPIs. Methodology, explain the project management methodologies used, e.g., waterfall, agile, or hybrid, and how they fit the project's requirements. Risk management, identify the risks and mitigation strategies applied to the project. Team roles and responsibilities, outline the team structure and the roles of different team members. Challenges and solutions, discuss the obstacles faced during the project and the strategies used to overcome them. Conclusion and recommendations, offer a conclusion on the project's success and lessons learned, along with recommendations for similar future projects. Project presentation. Purpose, the presentation will be used to succinctly communicate your project management approach and outcomes to stakeholders or peers. Content, your presentation should highlight the key aspects of the project, including the scope, methodology, timeline, and outcomes. Use visuals like Gantt charts, risk matrices, and KPIs to enhance understanding. Format, ensure the presentation is clear, professional, and to the point. It should not overwhelm the audience with too much detail but should provide a comprehensive overview of the project's key elements. Your project presentation is an opportunity to demonstrate your ability to effectively communicate complex project management concepts in a clear, structured, and engaging way. Peer review and instructor feedback. After submitting the case study and presenting your findings, you will participate in a peer review process. This is an important aspect of the learning process, as it helps to refine your project management skills by evaluating your peers' work, providing constructive feedback, and learning from their approaches. Peer review process. Reviewing, you will assess the projects of fellow students, offering feedback on aspects such as project planning, risk management, communication strategies, and overall execution. This allows you to understand different perspectives and approaches to problem solving. Receiving feedback. You will receive feedback from your peers as well as your instructor. The feedback will provide insights into areas where your project management strategies were effective and where improvements can be made. Reflection. Use the feedback received to reflect on your strengths and areas for growth. This feedback is critical for continuous improvement and will help you in future projects. Course completion and next steps, networking, continuing education, internships. As the course concludes, it's important to consider the next steps in your career development. The completion of this course marks the beginning of your journey as a project manager, and there are several actions you can take to continue your professional growth. 1. Networking. Importance of networking. Building a strong professional network is key to advancing your career. Join industry groups, attend conferences, and connect with fellow project managers on platforms like LinkedIn. Networking provides you with opportunities for mentorship, collaboration, and discovering job openings. Engagement in professional communities. Engage with online communities and forums where project managers share ideas, solutions, and advice. This can broaden your knowledge base and open doors to new career opportunities. 2. Continuing education. Advanced certifications. Consider pursuing more specialized certifications, such as Prince2 Practitioner, Agile Project Management, or even industry-specific certifications based on your career interests, e.g., IT Project Management, Healthcare Project Management. Workshops and webinars. Attend workshops, webinars, and other educational events to stay updated on the latest trends, tools, and best practices in project management. 3. Internships and entry-level roles. Internships. If you are just starting your career, applying for internships or entry-level project management roles is a great way to gain hands-on experience and put the skills you've learned into practice. Seeking opportunities. Look for opportunities to shadow experienced project managers and work on small projects to build your portfolio. Hands-on experience is critical for developing expertise. By taking these next steps, you will continue to grow your skills, expand your professional network, and advance your career in project management. Conclusion. The final class wraps up your project management journey, equipping you with the skills to handle real-world project management challenges. Through hands-on practice in the Capstone Project, creating reports and presentations, engaging in peer reviews, and planning your next steps, you are now well prepared to take on the project management world. Your career journey continues with networking, ongoing learning, and practical experience. Keep refining your skills and stay engaged with the evolving field of project management.